Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors, the home of affordable quality transformations. So here we have a Jaguar XF that will be repairing. It has minor scratches and dents on the bumper and fenders. I hope you join us through the journey as I show you first the places that we're gonna correct all the way through the repair process up to the final product. You can see the dents are on the fenders, on the bumpers. We have several scratches all over, and we're going to use different material like fiber and high quality paint and other material. Join us on this journey as we carry out these repairs at Hojinx Motors Garage on Nation Builders Road off Wanye Road at Dagoretti Corner. As you can see, there are more scratches on the rear bumper and fender. All these will be corrected.